Welcome to the Google Analytics Filters tutorial, a comprehensive guide to help you understand and apply filters in Google Analytics. Google Analytics is a powerful tool for analyzing website data, and filters play a crucial role in refining this data to gain valuable insights. To start, let's define what filters are in Google Analytics. Filters are used to exclude or include specific data in your reports, allowing you to narrow down your analysis to a particular subset of users, sessions, or page views. There are two main types of filters: predefined and custom filters. Predefined filters are provided by Google Analytics, while custom filters are created by you to meet your specific needs. To apply a filter, navigate to the admin section of your Google Analytics account and click on Filters. Then, click on the New Filter button to create a new filter. Here, you can choose from various filter types, such as include or exclude, and select the specific data you want to filter, like IP addresses or page titles. One of the most common uses of filters is to exclude internal traffic from your reports. This is done by creating a filter that excludes your company's IP address, so that your employees' interactions with the website are not included in the data. Another example is to include only traffic from a specific country or region. To analyze the performance of your website in a particular market, when creating custom filters, it's essential to consider best practices. Use descriptive names for your filters, so that you can easily identify their purpose. Also, test your filters thoroughly to ensure they are working as intended, and avoid overlapping filters that may cause data discrepancies. In conclusion, Google Analytics filters are a powerful tool for refining your website data and gaining valuable insights. By understanding how to apply filters, you can exclude irrelevant data, focus on specific segments, and make more informed decisions about your website and marketing strategies. Remember to use filters wisely, and always test and validate their impact on your data.